What's up, VW Livers? Jake and Davey here. We're climbing up this massive water slide. We're gonna go down the slide here with good old Alice, Davey, and myself. I'll get up in the front. Alice will be behind me, and Davey will be in the back. We're all gonna go down this together. Carter, you wanna give him a lap, buddy? No. All right, we all ready? Say VW Live on 3. 1, 2, 3. VW Live! Woo! VW Live! And Alice in the back. All right, we're on. And 3, 2, 1. VW Live! VW Life, ladies and gentlemen, is getting ready to get crazy. We're going on the 18-foot water slide. You know what? Sometimes you can take the redneck out of the boy, but you can't take the redneck in the boy. I don't know how that goes. I can't remember that, but I'm going in! It's a slide! This is called Hanging Jake Upside Down by his feet. VW Live!
Hey everybody, this is just a 4th of July hangout. We're just doing it, you know, and we're just taking you with us. So if you like what you're seeing, hit the like button and subscribe and leave us a comment. What'd you do for the 4th of July this year? And now it is time.
All right, VW Lifers, what is up? Matt Jackson, I'm going in the shade because my feet are burning up. Where are you over here? Oh, in front of this nice single cab right here. All right, VW Lifers, what we got going today is Davey, Evan, myself, and the old man. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the old man will be doing this challenge with us. We will be drinking a beer, slip sliding down, running across, running up the stairs. Don't run with scissors, kids. Sliding down, going outside, coming through the mud. Yes, the mud. Running up the slip and slide, all, and you gotta finish your beer in that time. That is our challenge, ladies and gentlemen, on this 4th of July. We love to celebrate our independence by drinking beer, having fun, enjoying our family and friends, and living that VW life. Thank y'all.
Shotgunning?
You can't do that.
How the fuck? Shotgunning.
Shotgunning?
Are we shotgunning? Apparently, I don't have a... This is trucking, is it not? What are we going? Are we going? How are y'all biting that? What the fuck? Don't be a bitch.
On your mark. And the contest starts now. Stop! Hey, Jake's in 3rd. Can he catch up? Oh no! It looks like Gary just got stepped on. Okay, we have a very soapy situation here. Now, who won?
All right. First of all, Davey won. Second of all, the old man didn't even drink a beer. And then on that note, Davey won.
Davey.
Thank you.
All right, VW Lifers, we got another challenge. Fine young men are ready to lay it all on the line. We're gonna do 3 laps. We're gonna do a little mini circuit today. You're gonna slide down the slip slide. You're gonna run across, up the death slide. Go up, and you go down. Then you come through the mud. So you go through the mud, up the slip slide, around the chair 3 times. The first one to do it 3 times wins.
On your mark, get set,
Go!
The mud pit is very, very muddy. And second, and third. This is very close. Taking first place. The winner.
I did it.
What's up, VW Lifers?
Hello, VW
Time to get ill.
Well,
Only the ones gonna
VW Lifers, it's 4th of July. We've had the 18-foot water slide. We've had contests on the slip and slide. We've done smoke bombs where I think I have now tuberculosis or whatever you get from inhaling Matt Jackson's smoke. And now it's time to bring out the go-karts. Time to the Deathmobile.
To take you guys along with us on 4th of July. Everyone left and we're pooped.
Yes, we are 4th of July. This is how we have a good 4th of July, huh, Matt Jackson?
Yep.
I lost track of how many people were here. I think it was like, I lost like maybe about 2,000.
At least that much.
Yeah, I think so. It seemed that way. And we went through like, don't tell anybody in the water conservation energy. I think we burned through about 50 million swimming pools full of water today.
It's been raining a lot, so it's fine.
Oh yeah, it's good. What a good day though.
Yep, and we hope you guys had a good 4th of July out there in VW Light Plant.
Yes, thank you guys for joining us today on a funny day. We just had, this is something we like to do here with all our buddies here on the 4th of July. I don't know how many years we've done this, probably since about 200.
Yeah, the early 200s.
Yeah. 1776 we started. Something like that.
Happy birthday, America.
Hey, 243, baby.